Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Melissa. This is my husband, Jeff.
Hey.
He's with me today to be my grocery shopping helper and cameraman. Since I'm pregnant, I'm not supposed to lift anything heavy, and we're at Costco. So
everything's bulk.
It's gonna be fun for you to do all that.
And the reason we have to come here is because we always do crab for New Year's Eve.
Christmas Eve.
Christmas is what I meant.
Wrong holiday.
What day is it? And this is where they have it, so you kind of have to go in person to get it. So we're gonna stay kind of spaced out,
but
and
it is,
mask up. And,
just so you guys know, it's gonna be going up probably the week of Christmas, this video, but it is like over a week before Christmas right now. So we're coming early. It doesn't look like the parking lot's super crowded, so I'm optimistic. So we're gonna take you guys in with us and go shopping right now. So we're in Costco right now, and we kind of walk through like the beginning aisles of the store, which isn't food. It's like all Christmas stuff and like socks and shoes.
Yeah,
like
Christmas
all
gifts, all sorts of stuff.
So we did grab like a bunch of socks because Jeff wants to basically throw out every sock that we have in our house and start over, which I don't blame him, because literally we have this big basket that's always full of mismatched socks.
And holy, and yeah, it gets, they're old.
So I think we're just gonna do that, replace them all. And then we got a couple other things. Found some really cool things for the baby. Well,
oh yeah.
Not the baby, but Gemma, the
Some little
toddler.
sets here.
Like this is perfect for her because she's yeah, doing like preschool, kindergarten level stuff. So we're gonna grab her that, and then we just grabbed some sweatshirts because they were on sale and like really soft and comfortable. I think they're Danskin brand. And then we got one of these like phone mounts for the car, so you can do some like Instagram stories or TikToks or something.
And I'll just use it for like the GPS on my phone.
Oh yeah, you can just have it.
It's just easier to see.
This looks cool. So yeah, so that's what we grabbed. We're gonna head into the food section right now, and I think I see the seafood stuff, so we're gonna go there first.
Here we are, the promised land.
Okay, so they have these, but I actually think we need to get like, see if they have that big case where it's like even more, because this, we'd have to get a bunch of these. I think they charge more per pound if you buy them like this.
Oh, maybe. There's so much good crab.
You're so excited. So Jeff ran around the store quick and saw that they didn't really have like the bigger cases, but also we remembered that our garage freezer broke, so we have to make them fit in our kitchen like refrigerator freezer anyway. So these are actually about the right size. Yeah, so we found 3 that were frozen, so we're gonna get those, and we are gonna be paying a little bit more per pound, but I don't think we really have another choice.
So I found this little variety pack of cookies, and Melissa was like, oh, I'm so insulted because you know me and the girls are gonna make cookies. And I was like, don't worry, I'll eat all of them.
Jeff's picking out some cookies. Costco cookies are his favorite.
Had to switch. Melissa pointed out these are like tried and true good, so we're gonna go with these because we're already getting the festive ones, like I said.
Did you know that in Canada they can buy them uncooked, like by like 100?
I did. I think I knew that.
And we don't get that. We don't get that experience because we're Americans. Little sad. I also got some tomatoes because I've been like pregnancy craving these, like especially like this kind with all the different varieties, and also grapefruits. I've been eating tons of grapefruits lately and tons of grapefruit juice. And what else did we get? Oh, bread. So these I'm gonna put in the freezer. These are croissants for Christmas morning. And then this is just baked, it's still warm, so we're gonna have that for dinner tonight. So we ran through the cold room section, which our Costco like completely remodeled itself since we've been here last. We're on like the side of the store that used to have like wine and like spirits, and now they put like a produce fridge, so they completely switched it up. Found some other things. Kids love grapes. We got grapes, got broccoli, got these little peppers, which have been another pregnancy craving. Oh, and salad. Our favorite Costco dinner. This is what we're gonna have tonight. This salad with the rotisserie chicken.
And some bread.
Our favorite. Tilapia looks like.
Oh yeah. Fresh whole tilapia.
So I don't think I've ever seen what tilapia look like outside of prepared.
Yeah.
That kind of makes me not want to eat tilapia.
No, that looks bomb.
Does
I mean,
it?
that's the same thing. You can get it
like
prepared.
Doesn't this look so much more appealing?
I don't know. That's good.
So we waited in line for like, what, 5 minutes to get chickens?
Yeah, worth it.
We got 2 rotisserie chickens, and they were like right off the little, what do they call it? Rotisserie spit?
The spit.
We also got, right in that same section, a ham. The Costco hams are really good, and I figured even if we don't do this for Christmas, that we might do it for New Year's. So it's always nice to have a ham. Also got a bunch of nuts. The kids have been loving pistachios, and they had honey roasted macadamias. So super yummy. And then you grabbed.
Oh yeah.
Jeff's like obsessed with these shrimps.
Gotta get it.
And okay, so they have the best sale, and I don't know if it's like all Costco's or just our Costco, but they have tamales on sale, like $5 off, so it's like $10 for each one of these packs. I got one of each flavor.
It's like 50 cents a tamale.
So good. And they're individually wrapped or packaged in like 2s, so they're good till like February. So
Sure.
we're gonna have these in our refrigerator because we love tamales in our house. And actually, I think tamales are like a Christmas thing, aren't they? I know some people have them for Christmas, so we might have them for Christmas too. So we picked a ton of cheeses from the cheese aisle and this like little charcuterie board thing.
yeah.
That looks really good for Christmas. Got some ham for the croissants we're gonna have on Christmas morning. And I was gonna make a quiche, but then I saw that they had these. So I feel like it's just way easier, you know? So Jeff got in line to check out, and I just ran over to where all the Christmas things were to do one last sweep just to kind of like make sure there wasn't anything else we needed before we checked out. The store is getting kind of busy, so on the aisles that were crazy busy at the end, we weren't really able to film that much. We were just trying to get in and get out and grab what we needed. So I'm probably gonna show you guys like everything I'll put out on the counter when I get home. But yeah, so just wanted to like give you guys the update because it's been a little crazy in here, and I'm gonna go catch up with him right now and see how he's doing with unloading the groceries.
We're home, and look at this. We got our crab legs.
Yeah, welcome to our messy kitchen.
At night.
So I was saying earlier, Costco was crazy, so we didn't get a chance to film like as much as we normally would.
Yeah.
But this is all of our stuff.
Yeah, we got forks, because that's like really the only silverware you need.
Also, it's only forks.
Yeah, forks
So,
only.
I think the biggest ripoff ever is when you get ones that are like forks and spoons and knives, because I don't know about anybody watching this, but we only need forks pretty much all the time.
It's kind of all over the place. We got some tiramisu, we got some cheese, we got a lot of seafood, some little things for a charcuterie.
This is a lot of
sample
holiday,
here.
This is holiday food. This is like not normally what we would buy.
It's really for the next 2 weeks of like snacks and
Yeah, between
Christmas
now
and New Year's.
This is
Yeah.
like all of it. Look what I got at the
Got
end.
our
which I
shrimp
put in
and
the
cheese,
They have
zebra
this.
popcorn. That's good. You got some little apple fritter things, did you?
Okay, so this was like a pregnancy craving thing. I walked by these and I was like, I must have them. I don't normally eat donuts, like Jeff knows this, but this just looked really good. It's like apple strudel, so this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast tomorrow. So now we're just gonna get ready to have dinner, and I'm gonna do the salad, I think, like we talked about earlier.
Salad and bread
and
and chicken. Yeah.
And it's just easy, and then I get to do the fun job of organizing our entire refrigerator and freezer to somehow get all this to fit, because like I mentioned earlier, we are down to one refrigerator, and the freezer section of this refrigerator is not very big.
Oh yeah, it's pretty little.
So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's a little bit different than what our normal Costco videos are. Merry Christmas if I don't upload before then. And if you guys have any video ideas for me to film like into the new year, leave them down in the comments below. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.